In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a battery widget on iPhone. So please, before we begin, please subscribe and like this video so that you know you're enjoying this content. So what you want to do is long hold, and when the app starts jiggling, click on the top left on this plus icon, and then we want to search for batteries. Now here are the batteries, and which one, this one and this one doesn't interest you, which interests you is this one. Then all you want to do is tap on add to widget, top right click done, and now as you can see, I see only my iPhone battery level, and that's it. If I want to remove it, long hold, remove widget, remove, and that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, leave a like. If you're still having issues, please let me know in the comments down below and I'll do my best to help you out.